my lady. So on today's episode, we're going to turn this into this. So to make this puppy shine, we got to first clean it. Turns out we got water restrictions, so I can't actually wash the car. I gotta go somewhere for that. Princess here is looking pretty clean. Princess smells pretty clean. Princess tastes pretty clean. Okay, the camera's playing up, so I don't know how much has actually been recorded. I'm putting this tape on just to stop it from getting scuffed and leaving white marks when I'm buffing. I wouldn't say I'm doing the most fantastic job in the world, but it doesn't really matter. Alright, this bonnet is looking smexy. Look at that reflection. You weren't getting that before. I'm gonna start ripping around this car and then I'll get some video after. This is looking good though. This is going fantastic.